Learning German expressions for likes and dislikes. Welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In the previous lesson, you mastered writing invitations and responding to them. In this session, we'll delve into expressing your likes and dislikes in German. To practice, download a free worksheet from our Patreon page. Let's get started. Expressing likes. Basic expression. If you like something, say, Ich find das gut, I find that good. Replace das with a person or thing. Examples: Ich find Mia gut, I like Mia. Das Auto find ich gut, I like the car. Die Blumen find ich schön, I like the flowers. Variations. Explore different ways to express liking. Ich mag das, I like that. Das gefällt mir, that pleases me. Ich bin Fan von, I'm a fan of. Adding emphasis. Enhance your expression with adverbs. Das ist wirklich, that is really. Es war extrementris, it was extremelegant. Die Musik ist adels, them ist total ability. Sample dialogue. Praktisieren. Adialog. Heitum. Werfen dendia filtal, heitum. Weffen themovie ist. Ich mag Schandiensburban jallere delicke den Bank. Expressing dislikes. To express dislikes, use Ich find das nicht, I don't find the gato. Replace das with Appersonorthing. Examples: Ich find demia nicht, I don't leukemia. Das Entdeckung, I don't find the Foti. Using adverbs. Differentiativing. Das gefällt mir, Iriala kethet. Ich mag das Berufung, I don't lekethital. Sample dislikdeal. Halaliza. Werfen den Filsmentis, Halaliza. Wedont find the minty. Ich mag die neue burial, I don't like sensual. Practices presation free. If you enjoy the feisdative, give it tatham subsub. Share with friends, and subscribe former. Don't forget a clink. Questions or comments? Leave them below. Viel erfolg, good luck.